my beautiful makeup holics, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you this few steps that I got from Sigma and Real Techniques. Like these are the miracle sponges, as you might already know. ये वाले मैंने काफ़ी बार यूज़ किए हुए हैं. These work really nice, बहुत अच्छे है. ये आइज़ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, ये कॉन्टोर वगैरह के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. इन बोथ यू कैन यूज़ इट डैम्प और ड्राई, लाइक जैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. मैं सबके डिटेल रिव्यूज़ भी अब करने लगी हूँ इंशाल्लाह, तो मैं वो भी शेयर करूँगी. ये एक हाईलाइटिंग ब्रश है, फैन ब्रश, हाईलाइटिंग फैन ब्रश, यू कैन सी. And this is the famous Sigma brush cleaning glove. Like this thing has broken like while shipping, but this thing is so soft. I have never seen material like this. This is really soft, and this is to clean all the brushes, like you can see. It has like so many kind of textures. This is the new texture they have started with, I think. It's like this is side for the eyes, and this is the face. Like these are the face brushes, like larger brushes, and this is a side for the eye brushes. I'll show you how to wash brushes and all. I'll do one more video of cleaning brushes with the tools and without tools. And the thing I'm excited about is this thing. It's called a Sigma drying towel. Let's see how it is. So if you open it, it's a small box. And wait, why doesn't it open? Okay. And here it is with the things. Wait, let us assemble this one. First thing, this is the base, I guess. Wait, we'll see how it is to be assembled. But it is come in nice packing. Here, two things. Okay, so here is the towers. I think this is mine, 44 brushes. Yes, and if you attach this one, so you can hold up to like 99 brushes or something. Holds up to 68 brushes. Like, okay, smaller base, where is it? Let's see how it is. And then can arrange. Okay, this is the smaller base. First goes the smaller base, and then there's a connector, then the medium brush base, and then one more connector. Okay, that is how it is. We'll fix it. So it has come in such a nice packaging, like so that things are not lost. We'll just see the picture and make it. Okay, so as per instruction, it's like secure the connector. This is secure the connector to the large A. This is A, okay, and medium B. Okay, this way. This one is okay. I think this one can be attached with the more brush towers also. They have nice attachment things. This. So I'm just taking the connector and like holding it so and twisting it like this. Okay, and then goes this one. Okay, that is how it is supposed to be, I think. Yes. Yeah, okay, I did it. So this is how it is, and it like I think this are the holders for larger brushes, and then you can have smaller brushes also in here. And I think with this attachment, as in if I get this two in combination, this will hold up to 68 brushes. Mine is 44 and this one holds 48 eye makeup brushes. So this is also such a good investment. This is all like for like much cheaper price. Let's see. I'll fix this one. I'm so excited. Finally I can use this tower. Like you can use this to like dry your brushes, or you can even like use this to like store your makeup brushes, like, and you can easily put them on. Okay, so that is it for today. So this is all what we are done. Inshallah, next I'll show you how to clean the brushes and keep it in this holder thing. And you can use this holder for storing your brushes like normally on your makeup vanity. That way also is fine. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the updates. Bye bye.